Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Our project title: Social Aware Video Multicast based on Device-to-Device Communications. Our project abstract: to meet the explosive demand on delivering high-definition video streams over cellular networks, we design a social aware video multicast (SOCast) system leveraging device-to-device communication. One salient feature of SOCast is to stimulate effective cooperation among mobile users, clients, by making use of two types of important social ties, that is, social trust and the social repository. By using SOCast, clients from group to obtain missing packets from other clients and restore incomplete video frames according to the unique video encoding structure. In return, the user perception of the mobile video quality can be substantially improved. Specifically, we first cast the problem of social ties based group formation among clients for cooperative video multicast as a confidential game and then devise a distributor algorithm to obtain the core solution, group formation. For the formulated collegial game, further a resource allocation scheme is proposed for the base station to handle device-to-device communication radio resource request from client groups. Extensive numerical studies using real video tracers collaborate the significant gain using SOCast. Our data flow diagram. In this process, it consists of a networking. We first design the network by deploying the nodes. Each node consists of certain users. The user mentioned that the grouping of users to form a networks. There is a different kinds of networks in it. For example, multicast networks and factory related networks, etc. In this process, we can design any kind of networks in it by deploying the nodes. After that, we want to select the source and destination. In the source, mention that the different users and the destination of different places in it. It can be wired or wireless networks. In the wired network, the source and destination can be in a certain and grouped in a single network. In the wireless networks, the user and the source and the destination can be in different networks and cannot be grouped in a certain networks. And the transmissions by using intermediate nodes from a source to destination. After that, the file can be chosen. In the choosing the files, the nodes can be calculated by using a distance. In the files, the file can be encrypted and splitted into packets to transmission from the source to destination to make the more secureable data. We choosing the video files as a source to transmit it from the source to destination, and the video quality can be checked by making the group of pictures. In this process, we splitted the video files into the certain images to check the quality of the videos. After encryption, the file can be transmitted to the destination using the intermediate nodes, and the group of pictures can be attached to the files to transmit it to the certain intermediate nodes to the destination. After that, the original file can be decrypted and the destination can be verified using the certain authority provided by the source. After verification of the destination, the file can be transmitted to the destination users, and using the group of pictures, the file can be verified and the content can be splitted, and the result can be mentioned that the graph mentioned that the users can be transmitted the file using the SOCast users and the SO group users using the group of pictures. and the graph can be generated. The graph mentioned that the different kinds of user transmissions and the security provided during the file transmissions from the source to destination. Our project demo for social aware video multicast based on device to device communication. In this process we mention the secure transmissions of video files and audio files from the source to destination. To start our process, first click on home.java. Click on it and click run file. This is our home page. Click anywhere on the home page. This takes to our login page. If you are a new user, click new user to register on it. Give the username, ID, password and the mail ID. Click on register. Using the register ID and password, make sure secure login. After login in it, create a network. The networks can be created. Click on the source. This can be a source as users, and the destination can be in same network or a different network. File can be chosen. And it can be encrypted to make more secure transmissions. After that, the file can be splitted and the group of pictures can be converted in it. This is the total number of nodes deployed in the network and the source and the destination node placed in it. This is the file splitter details. The distance calculated from the source to destination using the intermediate node, and the intermediate node can be calculated. After calculating the intermediate node, it can be used as a forwarding node to transmit the files from the source to destination. I am choosing 7 as an intermediate node. This port number can be used as a receiving port from the intermediate node, and after that the node verification can be done to maintain the secured users to transmitting. Click on node.java. Give the forwarding port as a receiving port in it. After that, click destination.java. And the file can be merged and it can be decrypted, and the original file and it can be decrypted, and the graph can be generated. In this graph it mentioned that the showcast can be as a more secure than the direct transmissions in it. The secure transmissions can be mentioned in it from source to destination and the verification of the file transmissions.